Be more creative. Think out of the box. We have seen these comments quite often in our life. But what does it mean to be more creative? How can we think out of the box? This April school holidays, Lyceum Centre is offering a creativity and persuasive skills workshop with a game-based approach to spice up all these theories and skill building. We will be looking at what exactly creativity is and how we evaluate what is more or less creative. The fun part is, we will also be trying out and analysing different board games to look at how they are underpinned by theories of creativity. Students will also be challenged to utilise their own creativity to extend and improve existing games, and learn how to promote it to others through a clear and effective pitch using language and rhetorical devices. Persuasive techniques will be taught and practiced via individual and group exercise. After all, we all know gifted students' hobbies can be a bit too unique and intense, and learning how to communicate their ideas in a clear and convincing way will make a big difference to their social life. The workshops will be held at Apping Boys High School on the weekend of 15th and 16th of April, and will span across 2 half days, with the primary section taking place from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 1:30 to 5 p.m. for the secondary section. We are keeping the class sizes small with around 12 students and 2 teachers in each class. If you would like to know more, please visit us at www.lyceumcentre.com. You can also email us at info@lyceumcentre.com or call us at 0413 456 159. If you still haven't, do subscribe to our Facebook page for information such as recommended resources like books or movies for gifted children and parents of gifted children. Looking forward to seeing you soon!